Hi everyone, good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to IKEA. We need TV stand and few other stuff, and our family loves their food, so that's why we are going very early morning. And I know many of you are familiar with this shop, but still I just love to say the history. So IKEA is world largest furniture retail shop since 2008, and they used to make like eco-friendly stuff, which I really love, and the price is also reasonable. And it's basically a Swedish founded multinational retail furniture shop where you can get ready to assembly furniture, you can get kitchen appliances, home accessories, baby stuff and other goods. So at present IKEA is operating 424 shop in 52 countries, which is really huge, and currently they open a branch in Hyderabad, India. So if you are nearby this place, you should go and check it out. And those who are want to come to Canada soon and settle down here, I will highly recommend you to go there, because in one shop you can get like furniture, food, baby stuff and everything. So let's go. As you can see, we are outside of IKEA now, so let's go inside. It's a model house, and whatever you can see here all are for sale, and every staff have one number. Suppose if you want to buy this flower vase, then you have to go to the plant section and you can find it there. Or if you want to buy big stuff like the cabinet or shelf, then you have to go to self service section. This is another kitchen, and look at this lamp, it's so beautiful, and the price is $29.99, and I wish I can buy it. They decorated it so beautifully that it looks like real, like somebody is living here. So this is the model bedroom, and it's look really beautiful. And look at that light. There have drawers and cabinet, and the right side one is this one is the bathroom, and there are so many racks, you can put all the stuff accordingly, and they have another storage facility. And this is kids room. Erika already started playing here. It's really beautiful. This is living room section. As you can see, all sofas are here, and it's really colorful. There are varieties of sofas and other stuff. You like this couch? Yes? You want to buy this one? You have to pay $684. Here you can see all stuff belongs from drawing room like cabinet, shelf, TV table and other stuff. So this section is all about working place, like you can find out study table, study chair and other varieties of chairs and all. This is kitchen section. As you can see, there are varieties of dining tables, chairs and other stuff related to the kitchen. How much is this one? This is really good. Like you can keep like spoon, fork, knife and everything all together. This is a good organizer. I'll take one. Again, these are model kitchen, and the good thing is about, like, if you don't want to buy anything, then it's okay, you can spend time here and you can get an idea how you can decorate your kitchen. These are other kitchen appliances. As you can see, there have jars, there have plates, frying pan and like other cooking pots and all. I'm looking for a frying pan. I don't know which one is good, but I want smaller one and not very heavy. So maybe this one. It's very heavy. This one is good. Yeah, maybe I will take this one. In this section you will get all bathroom stuff like bathroom mirror, towel and other stuff like basin and tap, all these things. So this is electronic section, but mainly I am showing all lights because I cannot resist myself to show you all how beautiful these are. Wow, look at this light. It's beautiful. The price is $179. Wow, these are all new. And this one is $69.99. Look at this orchid. It looks like real. I have one in my house, and these are $17.99. These are all artificial, as you can see, but it looks very real. Oh, I love this. Look. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. This is kids section. As you can see, there have kids bed and kids soft toys, other toys, kids playhouse and other stuff. Aika already started playing here. Lulu, you love this place? Good? You are playing? You want to sit? Okay, I'll help you out. Again, these are all kids model house. As you can see, they have kids bed and kids playing stuff and all, and they have like cabinet and drawers where you can keep kids clothes, and those are all for sale and they look so beautiful. You are feeling sleepy? Feeling sleepy? So get down. Get down, please. So this section is for newborn baby. As you can see, they have crib and they have wipes and changing table and all stuff related to the newborn baby. We came back from IKEA and it was very nice. Aika was playing a lot and we spent almost 4 to 5 hours. I didn't buy that much things, but I was recording video, so that's why I made sure that I should cover every corner, and I hope I did that well. So please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will not miss any videos from us. So see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.